Alright, Spencer, so now that we went through our intense leg workout, we're going to go into a cool down. So what I'm going to have you do, just to start, I'm going to come up here. We're just going to walk on the spot for 20 seconds to kind of lower our heart rate after all the work we just did. After this, we're going to move into a quad stretch, and from there we're just going to move down the leg. So we're going to go for 7 more seconds here. Alright, so how do you feel after that workout?
Good.
Good? Alright. Perfect. 2 more seconds, and alright, done. So we're going to start with just a basic quad stretch. What I'm going to have you do is just stand here, bring your leg up, hold it in, and hold that for 15 seconds. Ideally, you want to do each stretch 2 times per muscle, so 2 times per leg, for 15 to 30 seconds each. But just in the interest of time today, we're just going to do 1 per muscle because I know you have to get going places. So we're going to do that the other side now. All right. Have to keep your knee in, close to your body. Good job. 10 more seconds on that one. All right, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Next, what I'm going to have you do is just stand feet about hip width apart, bend over, bend to the hips, keep a neutral spine. Have you just bend and touch your toes. Feel the stretch down in your calves or your hamstring. Sorry. All right. How's that one feel?
Good.
Good. All right. So just about 5 more seconds on that. We will actually do this one twice just to get a good stretch in your hamstrings. All right. Stop. So just kind of shake your legs out a little. All right. A couple seconds. Now I'm just gonna have you go back down and do it again. All right. Hold that for 15 seconds, and then we'll move on. So next, what I'm going to have you stretch is the adductors, which is on the inside of your leg. What that mainly does is it helps in adduction, which is moving your leg back towards the midline of your body. Alright, so stop. So what I'm just going to have you do, have an exaggerated stance. Have you go to the left. You can go into a partial squat or lunge, and just keep this leg extended. Feel it up on the inside of your thigh. And we'll do that for 7 more seconds here. And good job. So next I'm just going to have you go to the other side, stretch that. Good job. Right after this, we're going to go and we're going to stretch the gastrocnemius and the soleus, which make up your calf muscle here. All right, stop. So, I'm going to have you do what's called the wall stretch, but we're going to use this table here. So I'm going to have you do, put your foot up on the wall here, or up on the table. Stand up close to it as far as is comfortable to get the stretch, but not enough that it feels like it's going to tear or anything like that, obviously. All right. Alright, good job. So you feel that in the back of your calf here?
Yep.
Alright. 5 more seconds on that, then we'll just move on to the next one. 3, 2, 1. Alright, switch sides. Alright, about 6 more seconds there. Alright, good job. So come over here. Whatever you do now, we're going to stretch the tibialis anterior, which is on the front, which is basically the opposite of your calves. So instead of dorsiflexing, bringing it closer to the body, we're going to plant our flex and bring your toes away from the body. So I'm going to have you put your foot back, toes to the ground, kind of pull forward a little. You'll feel the stretch down in the front here, down near the ankle. Alright, good job. Hold that one for 10 more seconds, and then we'll move on to the next side. How's that one feel?
Tight.
A little tight, alright. Alright, good job. Switch sides now. Okay. You want to just keep that foot straight. Good job. Five more seconds on that one. Okay. And good. So next, I'll give you this. We're going to roll out our glutes, the maximus, medius, and minimus. So what I'm going to have you do, sit on the ground. I'm going to start with the right side. So I'm going to have you put your left foot kind of extended out here. Bring your right foot up over your knee. Turn your body to the right, angle it, and then roll back and forth, kind of on your hip. I'm sure you feel it. It's tight in most people. So I'm going to have you roll that on that 5 times. Alright, very good. So next, you can do the left side. So right foot out, left foot above your knee. Roll your body over to the left side, and just roll it out 5 times there. Yeah, so if you need a little more stability, you can take your other hand, you can put it on the ground, but if one hand works for you, that's fine too. Does that feel a little tight at all?
Yeah.
Alright, so this would be really good to help loosen that then. I'm just going to go put mine away over here. Alright, good job. So we're going to move over into our last 2 stretches here. So, what this is called is joint distraction. Basically the whole point of this is to basically move your hip away from the joint. It's going to allow more fluid in there, so it's more lubricated and moves around easier. So the first one we're going to start with, now if you put your right leg in here, take a step forward, and then lunge with the left leg forward. So you'll feel the band pulling on your right hip back towards the table there. Alright, so I'll have you do that for 30 seconds. We'll do the other side, and then we'll do another similar one like that after. Alright, so left foot forward. Good job. Alright, looking good. Alright, how's this feel on your hip?
Good.
Good? Doesn't hurt at all?
Nope.
Nope, very good. Alright, so 15 more seconds of this. We'll switch to the left leg. Okay, 5. Alright, good job. So step out of that one. We'll switch over to the left one now. Alright, so exaggerate a step with the right. Try to keep it in line a little. Good job. Now normally you could do this with a heavier band to get more of a stretch, but I know this is your first time, so I'm going to take you through this with a lighter band just to get a feel for it. Alright, so 10 more seconds of that, and we'll move on to our last stretch. Okay, 5 seconds. Alright, very good. So step out of that one. Now, what we're going to do is same idea, just a different position. So I'm going to have you put it on your right leg again. Step out sideways this time. Lunge with the left foot and down. So this time, instead of it pulling backwards, it's going to be pulling to the side. All right. Going to adjust this band for you. Just want to have it a little closer if you can. Does that feel alright?
Yep.
Alright, perfect. Okay, you want to keep this just a little closer to the body there. Very good. Halfway through there. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so step out of that one. We'll go into our last stretch, which is the same one on the opposite side there. Yep, you want to have that as high on the quad as is comfortable. Yep, right foot forward. Perfect. Looking good. How are your hips feeling now?
Good.
A little bit looser than before?
Yep.
Perfect. So the more you do this, the more lubricated and loose they will be. You can it makes things like everyday life, like walking and everything, a little bit easier, and just a lot less hard on your joints too. So 5 more seconds of that, and then we'll be done. Alright, and good job. Step out of that. Alright, it was very good working with you today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.